I think that high ticket affiliate marketing is a scam 99% of the time. Now, of course, there's affiliate marketing programs out there for big products that pay good, right? And I'm cool with that. But if you're on YouTube or social media and you see somebody promoting a course on how to sell high-ticket affiliate marketing products, most times they're teaching you to go out and find people to buy their product, right? So you buy it, they teach you how you promote it, and then you go out and find other people. I don't want to say this because I don't want to insult you, but you go out and find other suckers that buy the same thing that you just got suckered into buying. And it's a crappy business model, right? It's not teaching anybody to be an affiliate marketer or how to go find good programs to promote or how to do anything really. It's teaching you to go out and spam their links and try to get somebody else to sign up for their thing. Or it's teaching you to go out and do fake reviews to get somebody else to buy their thing. And I don't believe in that. I think it's garbage, all right? So, I wanted to make this video as a kind of a warning. If you go to somebody's content, YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or anything else, and they're saying, sell high ticket products, you follow the link, go to their landing page, and they're selling a $1,000 or a $2,000 course on how to do high ticket, you are falling for the trap. You are going to be part of the pyramid scheme on buying it and then talking other people into making the same mistake as you did. The right way to do affiliate marketing is to pick a niche, make a good content for that niche, and then help people solve a problem, either through education or tools or whatever they're looking for. There's a lot of better ways to do it. There's a lot better ways to go out and find products and programs to promote, because really you want to pick a niche, whatever the niche is, something preferably, right? And start making content in there, right? What can you help people learn? My main niche right now is real estate, right? I help people learn how to be a real estate investor. So I make content around that. I review products in that. I give them some guidance and some tools to do that. And that's a good route because you build up credibility and people are more likely to buy something from you. But if you are just making content around somebody's program that's $2,000, that all it's going to teach them is how to sucker other people into buying a $2,000 product, you're not helping anybody. It's not value, and it's not building your credibility, and your success as an affiliate marketer is going to be very limited, in my opinion. It's not going to be a long-term thing. You're treating it like a hustle and not like a business, all right? So, on this channel, I'm going to give my honest opinion and my brutal truth of the industry. I've been doing this over 10 years, and I see there's more garbage than there is quality in this business. Affiliate marketing's awesome, and it can create a tremendous lifestyle if you learn to do it right. But buying into these high-ticket affiliate programs that are garbage, that are just making one person rich and not teaching you anything, is not the way to go, okay? So if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and you want to follow this content, comment below, like the channel. I'm going to keep creating content. I'm going to probably in the very near future create a school community where you can come in, and I'm going to do weekly Zoom meetings where you can come in and ask questions, and I can kind of give you a roadmap on how to pick a niche, how to find products that aren't on ClickBank and JVZoo, really actual products that people want and that they're looking for, and you can make money promoting. If you want to learn that, if you want to learn how to do this the right way, like this channel, subscribe to this channel. I'm not going to sell stuff for $1,000. I'm not going to sell it for $100. I'm not going to do any of that stuff. I just want to teach people how to do this the right way. Okay, so if you're interested in that, comment, like, all that stuff, and I will see you soon. Talk to you then.